You can earn 1 million MELD token in this airdrop, so don't miss this airdrop at any cost. In my last few videos, I talked about many airdrops including Velar and OXPT. In today's video, I will talk about yet another airdrop by MELD blockchain called MELD Airdrop. And perhaps it is one of the best airdrop event for this month. So, welcome to CryptoTubes. I'm your host Paras, and in today's video I will take you through MELD Airdrop and explain all the steps how you can claim MELD tokens. And again, before I start, remember to press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon if you haven't done already. And if you are someone who's looking for a crypto community of the like-minded people that can help you grow, do check out the link shared in the description of this video and join our Telegram community, which will help you grow in the crypto space. Now let's talk about MELD. So this is MELD. MELD is a layer 1 blockchain and a DeFi protocol for Web3 finance, providing cross-chain lending, borrowing and staking services with integrated fiat banking by MELD.fi. So it's a layer 1 blockchain and a cross-chain, which means the token is also live on Etherscan and also on Cardano Scan and also on Avalanche and many other cross chains. So this is the MELD token. You can see the price of it, 0.0174 is the price of it, and again you can claim this for free in this airdrop. So now let me quickly take you through the airdrop without wasting any time. So these are the details. As an early participant in the MELD ecosystem, you stand the chance to earn some MELD tokens, with the apex rewarding being 1 million MELD tokens. So again, they are claiming that they will give 1 million tokens to a lucky winner who will participate in this airdrop. So why not give it a chance? So let's talk about the eligibility and how you can claim this token. Let me take you through all the steps one by one. So this is about the contents, how to be eligible. So to eligible, you need to sign up and validate MELD.fi early access pass. So let me take you to the website. This is MELD.fi early access pass. So if you click on the link, it will take you through this link, and once you enter it, you need to enter your name, last name, email and again phone number. And once you acknowledge it, remember to read this statement before continuing, and that is, I acknowledge that in order to validate my early access pass, number 1, I will need to create a MELD wallet. Number 2, I will send $1 worth of crypto and receive a welcome bonus of 100 MELD tokens. So the details are pretty much clear. You need to apply for early access pass, only then you will be allowed to continue with the process. And to do this, you need to provide your email and the reference IDs of your close 3 friends. Once you fill this form, it will take you through that particular section, and after that you need to wait for your lucky chance. If you get shortlisted, they will send you an email and then you can follow the further process. Remember, you need to create MELD wallet, and number 3, you need to send $1 of any crypto amount, which means you can send $1 worth of Ethereum, $1 worth of Avalanche token, $1 worth of Cardano or any other token to the MELD.fi, and you will receive 100 MELD tokens. The 100 MELD token is not an airdrop, but it will confirm your eligibility for the airdrop event. So let's get back to step number 2, and that is have a MELD app wallet. So you need to create a MELD app wallet, which is right over here. So I have already created it. You can create it just like you create MetaMask, and once I restore my wallet, let me just show you how it looks. So this will be my wallet in front of your screen, and this is what you will see. It is the MELD.fi app. You can see it's on beta, and now I will take you through another step. So after creating the wallet, this is what you see. Now the third step is validate early access pass. So I haven't received the early access pass email, which is a code that I need to enter to continue with the process further. But again, I will tell you what is going to happen next. Let's assume that I have received the early access pass. I need to click on get it now under Neobank early access. So in the app, I have this option right over here. Get your access for MELD.fi, a new kind of banking for crypto, Neobank early access, and get it now. Just click on get it now, and here you need to enter the code that you will receive by the MELD team in your email that you have entered during filling the form of early access. So that's why I'm stuck right now right here, but again let me take you to the further process. So this is how the screen will look like. Once you enter the code, The another step is you need to connect your external wallet. It can be Nami, Eternal or MetaMask. I suggest connect MetaMask because that is fast and effective. And then go down and again transact with any of the funds that you are holding in your wallet. So let's say you are holding funds in your Nami wallet, not in your MetaMask. So you need to hold at least $1 worth of funds in crypto to transact on the platform. And once you do it, you need to make the payment. And then once you make the payment, you will receive 100 MELD tokens in return for validating your pass to help with gas fee and other protocol interaction. Again, 100 MELD token is not an airdrop but is the final step in assuring you are eligible for MELD airdrop. So this is very important. So this is where the process ends, and again this is a screen that you will see, and after that there are other details that you can look into how you can maximize the MELD airdrop by going through this site, which is meld.com MELD airdrop. And here you go down and see the earn more section and check out all the links, social task, weekly challenges, on-chain activity. Do all of it and you will be eligible for more MELD token, and one lucky winner will receive 1 million MELD tokens. So this is crazy. You can earn 1 million MELD token in this airdrop. So don't miss this airdrop at any cost. So that's how you can easily do it. If you have any question, remember I am here, comment below or join my Telegram channel for the fastest response possible. I wish you good luck, and remember there are other airdrops which I have covered previously. So do click the link shared on the end screen and watch all those videos that will help you make money during the bull market. So remember to subscribe and remember to join my Telegram community. I see you in the next video. Till then, take care and have a nice day.